Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you today, it's a very unique unit. They're made here in Oregon. They're called the Nash by Northwood. So they make Arctic Fox, they make Desert Fox, they make a lot of truck campers and things too. A very unique brand, and if you're familiar with it at all, you know that it's kind of different than all the other stuff that's out there. And it's a little heavier, you know, for example, but you know, with quality comes a little bit more weight. You got bigger propane bottles. You got probably a more powerful tongue jack than anybody else is using. You have, if you've been following the Nash for a while, you know that they didn't used to do caps up on the front, but now they all do the 3/4 cap. They all come standard with a battery kill switch on them. That's kind of something that you don't always see on a travel trailer. It's all right here in the pass-through. Now you have a 10-gallon water heater on every Nash standard. Almost everything else is a 6-gallon, so you got a bigger water heater. Made in the US Goodyear tires, and you can see it's a pretty beefy tire, and it's raised up a little bit there too. Now you have big grab handle on the outside. They build their own chassis. There's a ton of stuff that I can go over in depth with you on the Northwood product. It makes it different than everything else. One of the easy ones is tongue and groove plywood in the floor. The other one that's easy too is if you look at the cabinetry in here, it's all real wood. It's not just printed out plastic strapped over as a sticker over a piece of fake wood, right? You'll see knot holes and imperfections in these things. It's pretty cool because it's real wood. All Nashes come standard with a solar panel. All Nashes come standard now because they have a generator box I'll show you on the outside, but they also have a switch now that they just added in the last year or so. So you actually have a switch in here. I used to have a little sticker like these here that said, you know, you can install a switch. This one actually has a switch for your generator. Now your TV can rotate around. You've got your bed, has storage on underneath and room on both sides with a lot of closets. There's USB ports back there. You have some good storage here. It's also accessible from the outside, so you have some outdoor storage on the other side of it for like tools and things like that. You have a dinette here that can make into an extra bed if you need it. Your whole kitchen setup's here. Really nice setup there. You got your glass range cover, glass door on the front of it. You have your stainless steel appliances with the exhaust hood. You have a nice Norcold fridge here with the actual wood paneling on it, not the little sticker like the other stuff will do. And then you got the two little bit wider bunks back here. So you can kind of, you know, sleep some people back there, taller people, bigger people, both of them. Well, the top bunk has a window. The bottom bunk has a door that you can access from the outside, so you can kind of flip it up. You can put bikes and stuff in there. It's pretty cool. Your bathroom has a nice big shower, porcelain toilet. You have a window in your bathroom on top of your skylights, which is kind of unique too. There's some stuff I'll show you on the outside. There's your water heater right there. You can just look at it and see it's bigger than everybody else's. It's a 10-gallon. Pretty cool, huh? You can flip this up and put big giant stuff in there, like I said, bikes or grills or anything else you want to put in there. And it's all on a slam latch. So you look at Northwood, their latches on everything are a lot more heavy duty than everybody else's. Their walls are thicker too. They're 2-inch thick sidewalls. If you're looking at travel trailers, almost everything out there is going to be 1.5 inches. So these are 2-inch. This is a true 4-season coach. Full walk-on roof. I would say the strongest roofs in the industry is the Northwood products. I was on the roof of one of these, actually a smaller model than this, with about 13 other people at the plant once before, and that was pretty powerful to see. You got your power cord stored right in here. You got black tank flush as well, so you can flush out your tank, cable satellite ready. You got your little compartment I was telling you about from the inside here. Put your fishing poles or whatever you want in there. Good tall stuff, good storage. Then this here is actual generator box. So you can just use it for storage if you want, but if you want to get crazy and install a big, huge, expensive generator in here, you can mount it inside of here. It's plumbed right inside, and it will wire right to that switch on the inside where you just push a button on the inside. Pretty cool. It's a little excessive for most people. It's not the cheapest thing to do, but if you want to go all out and you want to have that, you have the capabilities of doing it in one of these, and nothing else that I know of. So that's kind of a unique setup there. They're built on their own chassis that they make in La Grande, Oregon. It's not one of the big corporations that make the chassis on every one of these things. They're very, very thorough with that kind of stuff. It's a private company, family owned still to this day. They've been around for over 25 years. We're one of the 5 original Arctic Fox dealers or Northwood dealers in the entire United States. So there's a kind of a unique animal here and a lot of stuff I can go through with you. So give me a call. My number is 541-525 4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis. I'd love to show you around. If you come in and want to see one in person or shoot me a call, feel free at any time. Talk to you later.